Guys, welcome back to channel. Subscribe channel and press the bell icon to get new video update.
Are you an AT&T Internet customer in need of assistance? We understand how frustrating it can be when you encounter technical issues or have questions about your service. That's why we created this ultimate guide video to AT&T Internet Customer Service. AT&T offers multiple channels for customers to reach out for support. Here are the most common ways to contact their customer service team. In this video, explain you about how to call AT&T Internet Customer Service. The easiest way to get immediate assistance is by calling AT&T Customer Service Hotline. Simply dial 1-800-28-82020 and follow the prompts to get connected to a representative who can help you with your issue. Customer support is available Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. Central Time, SatDAY to Sunday, 4 a.m. 1 a.m. Central Time.
For more infotainment, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching. Have nice day.